Everyone desires to lead a life of greatness. Greatness is associated with the work we deliver, and our work is always an outcome of our ability. But how many of us give all our time on enhancing our abilities? How can we market ourselves other than through the ability we developed? Ability is the quality through which we express ourselves to the world. A man of ability would always be engaged and would have opportunities in any circumstance or situation. Work derived from our ability alone gives us everything that we desire for: image, status, income, self-respect, self-love, and self-belief. So let's select an area through which we would like to give our identity to the world and make that area our life. And let's give all our time and energy to it. Then we would develop one ability which the world would love to experience. To prove this, let me take you through the life of Mr. Girish, who hails from a poor family which experienced many setbacks in agriculture, and completing his SSLC has gone to become a pathfinder for many of the biggest challenges that farmers are facing today. His desire to empower the farmers and his interest towards technology made him to dedicate all his time on creating new solutions to the existing challenges. He came to Bangalore with a laptop, a wireless router, and one-way bus fare. He stayed with his friends as he could not afford for a room. Then, with the help of an old DTH antenna, he enhanced his router and sold the bandwidth up to 10 kilometers and earned some money. But just after 6 years, he is a partner of Santep Systems, a fast-growing firm in agriculture technology. And he is an inventor of many devices which are helping farmers a lot today. As we walk into his office, the lights switches on and turns off once we leave. When he was a school student, he used to help many engineering students in doing their projects, and he could easily make inverters, power suppliers, etc. He has spent all his time on enhancing his ability, and today he is an inventor of borewell scanners which confirms the availability of water, its inflow and outflow. Irrigation controllers that helps us to operate pumps from any place. Micro irrigation controller that regulates the flow of water and feeds water to the plants to the extent needed. A far better technology than drip irrigation. Bird repellers, automatic water flow systems, and many more inventions. His education or financial challenges did not come in the way of his dreams. The ability he developed is helping him to gain support from big organizations like NABARD and many other. He is still looking forward for greater inventions to come on his way. Wishing him all the best. Thank you. Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.